Hi, let me show you how to print the index card for your physical Scrum board from Jira. So for tutorial, what I've done is I have created one project, sample project, and right now what you see is uh, a one active sprint in which there are 4 user stories and 3 bugs. For each user story, uh, you have some tasks, subtask, analysis, development, testing, and deployment. Depending on your project, you can have whatever task you want. For each user story, I have done the estimation using story points. So, for example, for this user story, this estimation is 8 points. So, in order to print the index card, the first step is to make sure that uh, I'm able to export the sprint one issues into an Excel file. So in order to do that, I need to search the issues for project sample project, and then sprint is 1 or sprint 1, and based on that I find certain issues. So if you look at these issues, then you can find the story points for the user story as well. So let me export these issues in an Excel file. Let me so here it is, current fields only. Save, and let me save it to a certain location. Now as I have exported this these issues into an Excel file, so let me see what they look like. So in order to print so if in order to print these cards, the format I have is something like this, in which you can print the user story or the subtask or the bug, and then the story point of each, and then the story number, fine, or the issue number. So so in so first of all, I need to remove the extra stuff which I don't need as of now. And then these, just a moment, first of all let me remove this one as well. And then these columns as well. So this is all I need: issue type, uh, the key, summary, and story points. So after doing that, let me save it. And after saving, let me start doing this mail merge. So for doing the mail merge, I need to create a new Word file, and then start doing this mail merge from here using a wizard. So next, starting document, so use the current document. So basically here we need to provide the template in which we need to print. So this is the existing document. I need to find it, and that template is lying somewhere here. Fine. Now let me move forward and then browse the Excel file which I just exported. That Excel file is also lying somewhere here, and here it is. Let me sort it on based on the issue type and say OK. Then basically replace this user story from here, more items, and the user stories here is summary. Let me insert it. Then I need to provide the story point as well. So story point is here, insert, and finally I need to provide the key. Okay, so for the formatting, let me do some changes. That's all, and let me see how they look like. So now I can print these cards in a PDF, and let me save it at the same place. Let me name it as the Jira issues. So in order to, so first of all, what you see here is that each card is printed as one page. Fine. And for cases where I just have the subtask or the bug, uh, uh, story points are not there, but so for example, this is the subtask, and basically for each subtask you can identify which user story it is based on this number. SP4 is the user story 4 number. I mean, this is the issue number of the user story. So in this subtask, because you don't have the story points, so these are the subtasks. So now what I need to do is I need to print the user stories as bigger cards, and I can print the subtask as smaller cards. So let me do that. As I have already sorted based on the issue type, so what you see is first you will find the bugs, and then user stories, and then subtasks. So till here I have user story 3 and user story 4. Fine. So these are the 7 issues, and after that I have a subtask. So what I can do now is I can print it, and I just want to print right now as from page 1 to 7. And what I want to do is also that I want to print multiple pages per sheet. So for doing that, I wanted to have uh, 4 pages per sheet, 2 by 2. Fine. So here it is. And similarly, after the bugs and the user story, for subtask I want to print 9 pages per sheet. So this is here from 8 to 23, and this is 9, 3 by 3, and then I can print these pages on the printer, and then basically cut these index cards using a knife or a cutter, whatever is available with you.